Hi, my name is Music Phil,
And I'm DJ Spooky.
and this is Classic Rhythm Review. And this week's Rhythm Review is an album. The name of the album is
Till Shiloh.
by Buju
Buju
Banton. You know, Mark Myrie. All right, we could talk about this album. This album was the album that Buju Banton changed his life. He took the Rastafarian faith more seriously. As what I say in the business, him start growing locks, you know?
All my days. Seems like they have been wasted, eh? Bueno. Just goes on to show. Till I'm laid to rest. Yes, always be depressed. There's no life in the West. I know the East is the best. All the propaganda then spread. Tongues will have to confess. Oh, I'm in bondage. Living is a mess. And I've got to rise up, alleviate the stress. No longer will I expose my weakness. Ego seek knowledge begins with humbleness. Work 7 to 7, yet me still penniless. For the food up on me table, master, God bless. All of it the needy and shelterless.
Yeah, man, this is the Kete drum era, you know?
All prince and princess, till I'm laid to rest. Yes, always be depressed.
This is the album that Buju Banton basically changed his life and became a Rastafarian. So it was the early days of Buju Banton. And when him just growing little precepts. Because if you look at the album cover, him just start growing antenna them, you know?
Game locks up.
Yeah, him just start, do the little locks up there, little bit. So this is the pivotal album of Buju Banton life for him say him going to change his life and be a devout Rastaman. So the album is called Till Shiloh. You understand me? The name stands synonymously for what the album is basically about.
True.
Yeah, so the album let's talk about the producers for the album. We have people like
Donovan Jermaine.
Donovan German, Dave Kelly, Steely and Clevie, and we can't forget 321 Strong,
Yeah.
Sil,
Still, yeah.
Sil God. Yeah. Yeah, man, those are some of the producers who would make this album a classic
Classic hit.
to this day. I mean, like 20 odd years later. Yeah. All right, the tracks on the album goes as follows. It has Shiloh. That's basically the intro.
After the intro.
Yeah, you understand me? And that is one of the songs that basically when you hear it, say, Buju Banton really changed. Because the album have an intro.
Yeah.
You understand it? All right, the other song on the album is like, what's it called now?
Till
I'm Laid to
Till I'm
Rest.
Laid to Rest.
And this was like when the Kete drum movement came in. And if if you know Kete drum are we call it the heartbeat, one love, do. Yeah, that's how them call it, one love.
One Love.
But we call it Kete.
Get a drum.
Yeah. Untold stories. Buju Banton again. Ready? Because we have featured Buju Banton right about now. Ready? Let's go.
While I'm living, thanks I'll be giving.
Yeah, man, this song is like a prayer,
The most high, no?
Let's go.
I'm a living while I'm living to the Father I will pray. Only Him know how we get through every day. Only I in the price, I'm a leg we have to pay. While our leaders play, all I see people are rip and a rob, all are grime. Thief never love is a thief with long bag. No love for the people who are suffer real bad.
Sing it.
Now the toll to the poor, may God help the soul. What is to stop the youth from getting
Out of control.
full of my education, you no own a payroll. The clothes from me back have countless I old. Could go on and on, the fool has never been told. I'm a living while I'm living to the Father I will pray. Only Him know how we get through every day. With only I in the price, I'm a leg we have to pay. While our leaders play, me say who can afford to run will run. But what about those who can't?
They will have to stay.
Opportunity, a scarce commodity. In this time I say, when mama spend her last and send you go class, never you ever play. It's a competitive world.
Yeah, man, big up Padanak, He's there with a chance.
Spending the time while earning a nickel.
Sure.
With no regard to who it may tickle. My cup is full to the brim.
Yeah, man, and that. So it started with that track, Till I'm Laid to Rest. I believe that track was produced by
Bobby Digital.
Bobby Digital. You understand me?
Yeah.
And if you know Bobby Digital is the king of lovers rock. Bobby Digital Dixon. When you talk about Bobby Digital, you talk about Heat Wave, the sound system. You talk about several rhythm and produced several artists. He was responsible for people like Shabba Ranks, Admiral Tibet, just to name a few.
Garnet Silk.
Garnet Silk, Sanchez. Yeah, I'm have only rhythm of Time,
Yeah,
Danger, Give It a Chance. So many rhythms. I
yeah,
forgot
so
to
many. Holy rhythms.
the next show I forgot to do a tribute to Bobby Digital. But in the meantime, back to the reasoning. The other song on it was called Murderer. Yeah, Buju Banton did this song. This song was produced by Donovan German. This is
Penthouse, yeah.
this is the Far East. This is Penthouse version of the Far East.
rhythm.
Buju Banton did this song. It was a tribute to Mikey Simpson and Panhead when they died. So this was like a ode to the album, like saying, say, boy, you know, murderer, blood is on your shoulder, because when these two men died, it had an effect on Buju Banton. So he did this song. And then he had Champion, the original. What like a champion? I think, yeah, I think a Buju produces. No, German rhythm, you know.
German, yeah.
But Buju did have it on his label, I
Yeah.
think. Him label it name Gargamel.
Gargamel.
Yeah. And then you have this other song is called Untold Stories.
Stories.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It's another song that was a hit there too. People use this song as an anthem to this day in a church, in some places in Africa. The other song now, which still relevant today, many people use it in their songs. Many people use it as a prayer. Many people use it as a spiritual guidance. It's called Not an Easy Road. You understand me? 'Cause I know people say the glamour and the gold and things say it's an easy road. Yo, this song brings back memories because one of the songs them were actually stand out again.
I'll make to the corner when I make it. And that's where they're meant to take.
Oh, me I play this to Father Willie too.
I'll be there for sure. Don't worry. I'll be saying bam, 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 bam. It's not an easy road. How many see the glamour and the guitar, so they think I better rose. Me say, who feels it now?
Again from the start, from the Till Shiloh album. Ready, let's go.
Hey yo, you are in tune with the Music Feel Reggae Show on Yard Style Live.
And that's where they're meant to take it. Sure. I'll be there for sure. Don't worry. I'll be saying,
My. Banana, tell them, sir.
it's not an easy road. How many see the glamour and the guitar, so them think I better rose. Me say, who feels it knows? Woo, 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 Lord, help me sustain these blows. I cry, it's not an easy road. How many see the glamour and the guitar, so them think I better rose. Me say, who feels it knows? Woo, 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 Lord, help me sustain.
Listen.
Why? From the minute of birth, you enter this earth. Obstacle they in your way to overcome first. Throughout every day, they seem to get worse. Oh my God, cast away this curse. Everybody are trying to make every end meet you anyway. That them endeavor, Lord God, you see. No matter what the world may say, out the street. Must have it so I won't accept defeat. Now I'm weary, tired and dreary. We got no time to race your mental load. It's not an easy road. How many see the glamour and the guitar, so them think I better rose. Me say, who feels it now?
Okay, after that we have a song called Only Man, produced by Dave Kelly. And you know, Dave Kelly was a new sensation, the new producers. You know, the Kelly brothers, you have Tony Kelly, you had Dave Kelly. These were engineers at the time at Penthouse,
Penthouse.
and they had their label,
Madhouse.
Madhouse, and Rude Boy Kelly. You know, Tony Kelly has his label called Killicious. But
Delicious, yeah.
Only Man was a part of a juggling. Rhythm did call, what name again?
Arab Attack.
Arab Attack.
Arab Attack, yeah.
Yes. Then we have another song called Complain. That had a remix with Garnet Silk and Buju Banton Panda. What are them the name again? Spoke is a Penthouse rhythm?
Tempo.
Tempo. Or them call it Agina Yakoko. Because tempo rhythm basically come from Jammy's that have a rhythm named Agina Yakoko. So
Yeah.
Donovan Sherman did his version. Okay, so that are just one side. We're go up on the B side now, because people don't know back in the days you have A side and B side. Hey, so me meet my woman, me tell her something like this. If you not give me that love, you don't want it. Here what?
Wanna be loved, not for who you think I am, not what you want me to be. Who you love me for me, real love. Want the world alone.
Hey yo, you are in tune with the Music Feel Reggae Show on Yard Style Live.
Desperately. I wanna be loved, not for who you think I am, not what you want me to be. Could you love me for me, real love? With those strings attached, I wanna give you my heart. Don't wanna take it back, and this is my chapter. Been searching a long, long time for that oh so true love.
Yeah, man, big up Still Garden for them two, you know. 3, 2, 1, strong.
Stop wasting my time. A virtuous woman is really hard to find. I'm telling you, lady, I'm only human, not looking for impossibility. Just a genuine woman with sincerity. Someone who is always there to hold me. Show me you care up front and boldly. Don't shun my feelings or the positive meanings of me morning, noon, all seasons. I wanna be loved, not for who you think I am, not what you want me to be. Could you love me for me, real love? With no strings attached, I wanna give you my heart. Don't wanna.
That was the A side of the record, because as I said, this is a classic rhythm review. It's the album. When we talk about album, we're talking about vinyl. So we have the A side, the B side, and the flip side. You know, like how we can flip over this now? Yeah, at the other side. Each record has two sides, the A side and the B side. Some people fight for the A side, some people fight for the B side.
True.
Yeah, so, and you know, so enough song bust on the B side though,
Yeah.
which supposed to be on the A side. Anyway, back into the juggling. On the B side of this great album, it's a song called Chuck It So. Yeah.
How them a go
How them a go on like them a bully so? Yeah, yeah. You understand me? One of the other songs will stand up on this, because this is the B side, you know. And they have a song called How Could You? When you really listen to these songs, you hear the production, you hear the Donovan Jeremy, the Still Garden. And then, and the Steely and Clevie. And I think Stephen Stanley worked on this album too. Forgive me if I left out his name. Stephen Stanley. And there's this other song on the album. It's called I Wanna Be Loved. This is like one of the love songs on Buju Banton album, which is like a salute to women. I wanna be loved. Just like, you know, like one man would have say, boy, I love you. And this is one that says that I want to love you. I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to show you how I'm going to love you. So the song is called Wanna Be Loved. The other song now, It's All Over, produced by Steely and Clevie.
Yep.
You know, Steely and Clevie are the general them. When you talk about the computer digitalization, they were the masters of Pro Tools.
Yep.
Yeah, and Steely and Clevie them, big production, big man in the business, will set the tone for them produce or no. 90% of dancer. Yeah, back in the days, yeah. You understand me? If you know, yeah, if you know about Double Trouble and Mama and Ninja Man song done, with name article done, and the list no. Wolipa song. Yeah, them produce this song is called It's All Over.
It is real as it seems. Don't you live my illusion, don't you?
Yeah, man, it's called How Could You? Buju Banton from the album Till Shiloh. Ready, let's go.
But you say, how could you rise up every living day? Telling yourself everything is okay. When you look at life, you see it's slipping away. There are those who feels it every moment, every day. Those who cry for the poor get neglected, rejected, put to death. How much more we are gonna take? Did the papa walk off him short? Blood, sweat and tears. Don't tell me that you no forget. Being oppressed by the oppressors on different type of stress. For the sorrows of the poor, they don't even care unless if you to the return atrocities. Civil unrest instead of building penitentiary.
Yeah, man, still sounding fresh, you know.
Saying we are to be blamed for whatever what makes. How could we rise up every living day? Telling your kids everything is okay. When you look at life, we see it slipping away. There are those who cry every moment, every day. Some say, how you doing? They want to know if we find that until we reap
one of the things with Buju Banton's album, what I always love, is the variety of producers and the different styles of reggae that was in it. He has a song called Hush Baby Hush. This was a ska infused rhythm. And I believe because of Buju Banton, some people didn't even put out a scat juggling.
Yeah,
I don't remember. Everybody put out a juggling based on Hush Baby, because it was a ska. You understand me? Then now you have What You Gonna Do. This is with Buju Banton and Wayne Wonder and a rhythm called Swing Easy.
Easy, yeah.
Swing Easy is a derivative from, it come from the studio one. Yeah, Cox and Dad. Yeah. Jermaine just made an up-to-date version of it. Because you know, so upon this rhythm where, What You Gonna Do? He had a juggling. He had Wayne Wonder, Rumors. He had Barry Salmon. What the Barry Salmon did name on it again? Kids Play. Master Griffiths had a song. Buccaneer had a song on it. Degree had a song on it.
A lot of song on it.
Tony Rebel. Man fi know. Yeah.
Yeah.
You understand me? Yeah. So it was actually from the juggling duo. Ready? Let's go.
Oh, what a feeling! This feeling that Rude Boy is feeling. I'm so lonely, so I feel like screaming.
I am lonely.
Lonely for you only. Believe me.
Girl, I'm lonely for you only.
Yeah, man. Buju Banton, Wayne Wonder. It's called What You Gonna Do. Ready? Let's go.
So lonely.
Feeling lonely.
Produced by Penthouse Records in the Donovan, German. Ready? Let's go.
Girl, I'm lonely for you only.
Stein! I mean, say what you gonna do? I'm on fed up since she not in, I don't know with you. Can't see your true, me say what you gonna do? I'm on fed up, she said she not in, I don't know with you. Can't see your true, me say get it together. Woman, them no in, and not a acapella fella. Good weather, bad weather, strong umbrella. You back off in blood, make the woman feel that she flying on a Concorde. Yes, me brother, remember me say use up cool water. What you gonna do to get back this daughter? Have the love me and let it escape slaughter. Now all over town you is a laugh. What you gonna do? Woman fed up, she said she not in and not no with you. Can't see your true, me say what you gonna say. Woman back up, she said she leaving out right away. Won't stay another day.
Yeah, man, from the album Till Shiloh. At the review, this is about, this is a song, yeah? Buju Banton and the late great Garnet, so this called Complete the Remix. Ready, let's go.
Let down be praise and wicked men scatter. Listen to Buju and Archangel.
No Rastafari.
Oh yes. Ask them.
Wrong they complain. Even if we call the Father's name, it's the same what they want us to do. Don't they know this is nothing new? Why won't they do what they want? Let me do my thing. You should be thankful. Their lights of hope that are still shining.
Buju Banton, Garnet still.
Shine.
Buju DJ.
If we do wrong, they complain. Even if we call the Father's name, it's the same what they want us to do. Don't they know this is nothing?
Sure.
Why won't they do what they want? Let me do my thing. You should be thankful. The lights of hope are still shining.
Where Buju there?
Shine.
Let your rise and the Eden scatter. I give thanks and praises no matter. Even if the flame is getting hotter and hotter, everybody should have know I don't believe in a room.
And on the last song on the album, we have the Champion Remix. This song was made to put on the album to give it a crossover appeal.
Yeah.
Yeah, because back in the days, they used to have the album, they have the regular, and they have the hip-hop sort of crossover.
Remix.
So when the marketing is being projected to the world, it meet up with some of the crossover people and it goes further. So this was the reason why they put back Champion on it and did a remix. Because they try tapping in the R&B market them time there. You understand me? They don't want to tap into the market. Yeah, and it worked. So this album from Buju Banton, as I say, it's over like 2 decades now and counting. Yeah, this is one of the best. If not, listen, would I say, I don't want the people to kill me. Would I say, probably this is probably the last album for Buju. Yeah, you understand me? No, the people are going but the best, I not say the rest of the album, I'm not sure, but you said this album set the precedent to make enough people want to turn Rasta back then days. I want Buju turn and say, Till Shiloh and later rest, and not an easy road. I like the Rasta movement exploded. Yeah, man. So my thoughts on this album. There are so many songs on it that made this album like a classic and stand out.
Oh, you are going like bully, so. A bomb by the line, you now go. Tell me, I want to know, I want to fly in a yo.
Pardon that, me don't know what.
Make you a walk and a chuck it, so. Word go round, so demand them from up, so say, oh, what? Them a go can yo. No bother farm, no fool, and go back round there. You can't say me never want yo. You fi jam one away and ever lay. That way them can't harm you. You fi move well alert, expect any foul play. Them and know where you work and where you sleep and when you play. It's the wrong set of man. No, you got to run away. Both right bad boy, who did wicked yesterday? Me say, oh, you are one like bully so. A bomb on the line, you now go. Tell me, how often you are flying a yo. So, make you a walk and a chocolate.
Yeah, man, it's called Champion Bujo. From the album to Shiloh.
You know, old and person, me blood a run warm. Hey yo! When I mash up the town from head to the ground and the man them rejoice. So
It's all over.
watch how she nice and love the skirt slice body gone from price. So it's all over. That I bring them on the other and the rap. You should have people and everything they are like.
Yeah, man, produced by Steely and Clevie.
That make you pass. A girl a front but a mouth that no last time flourishing, nourishing. Watch the everything. The ragamuffin could have ever want. Man a run down your body must think a crazy Jim. Any woman a yard for him gone. Woman a mash up the town from head to the ground. All the man them rejoice. It's all over. Watch how she nice and love the skirt slice body gone from price. It's all over. Can't tell you how me I regret you right now. Coming to get you serious like you.
When Buju Banton did this album, I was surprised. Cause I said, I wonder if this is going to work. But remember, so Buju Banton did have like Browning and Black Woman and Bogle and I Forget You and them sang there, you know? Yeah, and Wicked something there. Yeah, Wicked Dicky, we can't say it. Yeah, Wicked Dicky, then I go flag it. So when he did this album, it's like, I say, what kind of chances? But when the album basically came and the people them took a while to, you know, dissect it and listen it, it was a great album. You understand me? So my picks on the album, Spooky, me I go side. Alright, it's because we have A side and B side.
Alright.
Zine, here we're gonna do it this trip, Spooky. We each are gonna take songs from A side and B side. We're not gonna do A side and B side. And it's hard for we pick two songs. Two songs? No man, that hard, big man.
I'll just pick 2 songs from each side.
Two, alright, me gonna pick my 2 then. Alright. It's the song named Untold Stories. Basically what I was going through at that time, and I can call it here 1995. Yeah, when I try to make the transition, you know, there was a record shop and all of those things. That was one of the songs when we playing at the man to get some spiritual upliftment. And we did like the DJ song to the Only Man, because we did like the Buju jump on the rhythm and the last part I need to get a mix. Yeah, so as I say already, what I say a while ago, because I say so much song. Untold Stories and the Only Man, Spooky Stark. I mean, should not say Only Man under the song when he am the Only Man, yeah.
Well, my pick, How Could You?
Yeah.
And I Wanna Be Loved. Them two tracks are my favorite.
Yeah.
Bad song them.
Yeah, man. You see me? Which song take the album to me? Not an Easy Road.
The song will take the album to me, Wanna Be Loved.
All right. I eat that
Bad
then.
tune.
Yeah. Rate it. Album here gold, man. Gold. The ratings for the album here, we can a gold. All right. The album here is rated 10 out of 10. I know 10 out of 10 are gold, and it goes beyond even 10 out of 10, but that's just a scale where we can basically measure the album here. Because if we measure the album here, we'll have to get one next numerical chart and all. But 10 out of 10, gold for me. Gold?
You don't know, a goal for me same way, you know. 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Classic album.
Till Shiloh. Till I'm
Shiloh.
laid to rest. Yeah. The album was baptized dancehall 30 years ago and still have the effect today. Baptizing people still all over the world. Kingston, Jamaica, Africa, Europe, Asia, worldwide. Still baptize people to this date. We are at Willie's That Truth, and this has been a classic rhythm review with the album Till Shiloh by Buju Banton, a.k.a. Mark Myrie, a.k.a. Gargamel.